Mutabbak. Crispy, golden parcels filled with savory goodness, the popular street food from the Middle East. For the sheet, to 1 cup flour add salt, ghee or oil, and water as needed to form a soft, smooth dough. Cover and let it rest. For chicken filling, to boneless chicken add salt, turmeric, pepper, garam masala, paprika or chili powder, cumin, fennel, and yogurt. Marinate. Shallow fry in oil. Once done, take out the chicken and add finely chopped onion. Sort. Add in finely chopped tomatoes and cook till done. Add in cooked chicken cut into small pieces and saute for a few minutes. Turn off the flame and add finely chopped parsley or coriander. Once cooled down, add in eggs, just enough to bind everything. Mozzarella cheese, optional. Mix. Vegetable filling. Chopped onion, spring onion, cabbage, grated carrot and parsley. Salt. Pepper. Eggs, just enough to bind everything. Mozzarella cheese. Roll out the dough into a thin circle or make Mutabbak sheets using Roti, video link in description. Add the filling in the center and fold. Grease the pan with oil or butter or ghee. Place the Mutabbak with fold side down. Cook on both sides till done. Mutabbak will puff up slightly once done. Can try with different fillings of choice. Enjoy them warm with a cup of chai.